Hey everyone, it's Chase and this is the MoonShot Money channel. Man, there doesn't seem to be any relief in sight. We said last week that we thought the markets were going to go lower, and that proved to be right. It's hard. It's really hard. Many new investors have never seen anything like this before. Bear markets create maximum fear. So what does an investor do? What are we doing? We know that many of you who follow us have watched your investment accounts fall to levels that you never dreamed of. In other videos, we've done our best to explain the reasons for these free-falling stock prices. Suffice to say, there are no catalysts in sight for a turnaround. Right now, there's a tension between fear and FOMO. I don't want to lose any more money, but I don't want to miss this opportunity either. So where's the bottom? When will my account turn around? When should I start buying again? We said back in January that our dad Mike was building a dividend and income portfolio. He's still working on that, but even with that portfolio, it's down approaching 15%. There's been nowhere to hide. Everything, and I mean everything, is selling off. That's a sign of getting close to a bottom, but we aren't there yet. We are still dollar cost averaging in our highest convictions, where we believe in the fundamental stories and we see internal numbers improving. Let's talk about Palantir for a few minutes. We purchased more shares of Palantir just yesterday at $7.50. That was 25% below the direct listing price, something like 20 months ago. Was that close to a bottom? I don't know, but we were glad to get more shares at that price. Palantir is a much different company now than it was so long ago. Palantir reported its numbers yesterday morning, and selling immediately ensued. This is just the environment that we're living in right now. Revenue was up 31% year over year, with a much desired commercial side rising for 54%. That's great. New clients rose at 86%. So why in the world did it drop 20% yesterday? Weak guidance. It's all about short-term sentiment right now. We are long-term investors. So how could you not buy Palantir for $7.50, which is a $15.5 billion market cap? I want to share a couple of pieces from the Palantir shareholder letter that I thought was interesting. This is our moment. The growth of our commercial business in the United States continues to accelerate. We see a path to double United States commercial revenue for the third year in a row. Last quarter, our commercial business grew at 136% year over year, accelerating from the fifth consecutive quarter. The biggest negative for Palantir in the past has been too much dependence on government contracts. That is changing. Are they being rewarded for that? No. Some analysts are focusing on the weak guidance, but let me just ask you, what company is not suffering with guidance in this economy right now? Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, and Tesla are all staggering and backpedaling. Listen to this from Alex Karp in the shareholder letter. Some of the largest companies in Silicon Valley are focused on building software for intricate and elaborate alternate realities. Such escapism is of no interest to us. We at Palantir do not operate in the metaverse. There are enough challenges to meet in this one, and its instability, not its absence, that makes our software all more essential. Our company is built for the world that is, not the world that ought to be. That is some scorching set of sentences right there. Take that, Mark Zuckerberg. It makes sense though. Would you rather invest in reality or fantasy? Something to think about. If dollar cost averaging makes you nervous, the best thing you can be doing is stockpiling cash. Why? Because you're going to get a wealth building opportunity here at some point. It's fear versus FOMO. Fear of losing money versus the fear of missing out on opportunities. Let me repeat for emphasis. Things are really bad everywhere you look. But really bad creates really great opportunities. Our best advice right now is this. Get ready to take advantage of those opportunities. We would certainly love to hear from all of you in the comments section below. What companies are you going to be loading up on? And where's the market bottom? Keep working. keep earning, keep saving. You're going to have plenty of time to invest in this market. It's time to do some deep research. What companies are being thrown out with the bathwater? Which ones are changing the world? Hey, follow us on Twitter at MoonShot Money 1 for all the latest. It would mean a lot to us if you would subscribe to the channel and give us a like down below. It really helps out more than you know. We recently bought more of Alphabet. This video right here will explain why we bought. You might want to slice for yourself. I'll see you in the next video.